everybody, Bearded Plumber here. We get a call this morning. Customer called and said that their water heater is busted. So we gave them the option for a tankless water heater. This is Michael right here, my nephew. Say hi. Hey, how's it going? So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna go to the parts store and stay tuned for the tankless water heater installation. Bearded Plumber out. That's teamwork. Look at that. They're brothers. They're from the same mother. I did? How are you gonna look at it when you measure it?
What do you mean? Normally.
I might need 2.5.
All right.
Nice.
It's bad.
To fix, so thank you.
All right, ma'am.
Okay,
all right.
thank you very much.
Nice meeting you again. On to the next.